It's raining. See the rain? I should see it. Don't want to get my iPad wet. Oh my god, more rain. Ah. Oh my god, it's sprinkling. My iPad's wet. Oh god. It's still raining. God, my iPad is getting freaking soaked.
No one.
I can wipe it off. Lane, I can wipe it off. That's awkward, Lane, because I was like, no one. Let's see how these little leaves are doing. Aw, poor little leaves, they're all wet. No rain here. Me and Lane are the type of kids who like to play in the rain, alright? It's good over here, it's barely sprinkling. Wait, whoa, 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 whoa. What are these things? What are these things hanging on the bushes? See these things? They look like balls. From right here, look at my balls.
Yeah.
I know, it's kind of gross. Holy shoot.
Maybe, no, I actually saw it raining in the backyard quite a lot.
Okay then.
It's always raining in the backyard a lot.
Oh yeah, then let's go. Mainly looks like we're taking a trip to the backyard.